2007 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter SL. The starter bolt is very strange. The top long one, I don't have to show you. The top long one is the top long bolt. This long one. This is a 17, and the bottom short one, as you can see where the ratchet is, that's a 16. So that's a 16, and this is a 17. The top one, the top long bolt for the starter is a 17, and the bottom short bolt is a 16. Very strange, and extremely difficult to get out for me. Couldn't even take out the battery plate. Everything is stuck. The bolts are all corroded and rotten, breaking my sockets. So I had to take off the wheel and get the long extension and the ratchet. See the ratchet here, long extension on the pipe to pry and go inside there. Take off the skirt, the mud flap. Take off the mud flap. Get inside there. We can see the bolt to the ratchet. Let me show you. See, try to get it from there. To get it out, it's quite tight in there. In this position, to get it out. Long ratchet. It wasn't easy. This is this ratchet is, it's a 20. So it's a 20-inch extension. Sorry. So I had to take off the wheel, take off the mud flap, the mud guard, and get inside from this position here to turn it out. So that's one way to do it. It's a 2007 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter SL, and the position to get out the bottom bolt is very difficult. As you can see, a lot of work, take out a lot of stuff, but couldn't open from this position. Now it's loose, finally loose, because there's not much room to work in, and the whole battery case, that's another headache and a lot of work to get out as well. Like I said, the bolts are old and corroded, and they're breaking the sockets. They're on there pretty tight, so be careful. And the strange thing you need to take note of, like I said, this 2007 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter SL. The top bolt is 17, and the bottom short one, it's 16. So it's very strange the way to set it up. Top bolt is 17, the bottom one is 16. So be careful and take your time with it. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks.